Hello students, good afternoon. Now let's start study of gases law. So what are the gases law? Basically there are three states of matter exist in the nature, that are solid, liquid and gases. So here we will study about the gases law. So gases in how means gases are different from solid and liquids. These are the condition. First, gases do not have a definite shape or volume, as in case of solid and liquid they have definite shape and volume. Number 2, distance between the molecules in gases are much larger in case of gases, completely less in liquid and solids. Okay, the force of attraction between the molecules is negligible in case of gases, because the molecules are very far away to each other. Okay, so but in gases molecules can move freely in straight line, undergoes random collision or with other, and occupy the complete space available in the container. But in case of solid and liquid it does not happens. Okay, so now come on the behavior and characteristic properties of the gases. So what is the behavior and what is the kinetic property and what is the reason behind it to happen these properties? Number 1, no definite shape or volume. So gases occupy all the available space, that is the shape and volume of the container in which they filled. Why it happens? Because molecules in gas are far apart and the force of attraction between the gas and molecules are very weak, due to which they can occupy all the available space in the container. Second point, high compressibility. So the volume of a given mass of gas can be easily compressed to a much smaller volume by increasing the pressure. This is why happens, because volume of particles negligible compared to the intermolecular distance, hence can be compressed, that is brought closer to each other. Third, exert pressure in all directions. So gases, unlike solid and liquid, which exert pressure only partially downwards, exert equal and uniform pressure on the walls of the container. This is because impact of gas molecules with high velocity causes pressure to be exerted on the walls. The same number of molecules strike a given area on the wall in unit time. Okay, so they can exert pressure in all directions. Okay, now next, what is the relationship between volume of gas when temperature is kept constant? When you put the temperature constant and apply pressure on the gas, then volume of the gas will be decreases, means pressure जो होगा वो inversely proportional to the volume होगा. प्रेशर बढ़ाएंगे तो वॉल्यूम क्या करेगा? डिक्रीज करेगा. ठीक है, इट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस. सपोज दैट when a temperature of fixed mass of gas is kept constant and pressure is increased, systematically the volume जो होगा correspondingly डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. इसको हम एक एग्जांपल से देख सकते हैं. अ गैस X occupy 500 ml when the pressure is 2 atmosphere. मतलब 2 एटमॉस्फेयर पे गैस का वॉल्यूम वाज 200 ml, बट व्हेन वी इंक्रीज द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर 2 to 4, then the volume become 250 ml. Means on increasing pressure the volume of the gas decreases here. Means pressure is inversely related to the volume. Okay, now here you can see the graph. इसमें experiment number, pressure and volume. In experiment 1, what happens when pressure is 2 atmosphere, then the volume of gas is 500 ml. When it reduces to 1, then it become 1000 ml, but when it increases to 4 atmospheric, then it become 200 ml. ml. So you can see here that on increasing volume, on increasing pressure, volume of the gas will decrease. So here you can see this decrease. Okay, now come on the second relationship between temperature and volume. So here the pressure will be constant. Okay, so when the pressure of a fixed mass of gas is kept constant and temperature of the gas is increased, so volume correspondingly increases. Means क्या होगा हमारा जो है कि टेम्परेचर जो होगा वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू V होगा. मीन्स एज वेल एज यू इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस also increases. Okay, for example you can see here one example. A gas Y occupy 200 ml when the temperature is 400 Kelvin. If it is heated to 600 Kelvin, its volume is increased to 300 ml. Means on increasing temperature you can watch here that volume is increases. Okay, and you can watch here it by experimentally. Experiment number 1, 2 and 3. Temperature is 400 Kelvin, volume is 200. Temperature increases to 600, become 300 ml. Means 700 ml increases here, and decreases 200 Kelvin, volume become 100 ml. Means volume decreases. You can see here by the graph. So you can see that volume and temperature इंक्रीज करने पे हमारा जो हमारा वॉल्यूम होगा वो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करने पे इक्वली इंक्रीज कर रहा है. Okay, now come on next page. Now on the basis of these relations there are two scientists which give two law. So we will study one by one. The first law is Boyle's law. So Robert Boyle studied the relationship between pressure of gas and its volume when the temperature is constant. Okay, so इन्होंने क्या देखा Boyle's law में, the temperature remaining constant, the volume of a gas given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to the pressure. मतलब V inversely proportional to the P when temperature is kept constant. So let a particular mass of gas occupy, means volume capital V, pressure capital P, at constant temperature capital T. So according to Boyle's law, V directly proportional to 1 upon P at constant temperature. We remove proportion, then there is one constant will come, that is K. K is a constant. So now the relation become PV equals to K. Second condition, if the particular mass of the gas occupy volume V1, V1 and V2, P1 and P2, then according to Boyle's law the relation will becomes out P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. That is known as the Boyle's law equation. Next come on, Boyle's law is also defined as, in this condition relationship वही होगा. Here you can see the experiments 1 to 3, pressure 1 to 4, volume 1 per volume 1000 at 5, 2 atmosphere pressure become 5 and 4 करने पे become 250. Means as well as you increases pressure, the volume of the gas decreases. You can see here by the graph, on increasing pressure volume decreases. Okay, now come on the next. Next is Charles' law. So Charles studied the relationship between temperature of gas and its volume. ठीक है, temperature and volume when pressure is constant. So according to Charles' law, pressure remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of dry gas increases or decreases by 1 by 270 Kelvin of its original volume at 0 degree centigrade. For each degree centigrade rises or fall in temperature. Okay, so now final, the Charles' law also defined as the pressure remaining constant. If the pressure remaining constant, the volume of the gas, the given mass of gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, means V directly proportional to T. Consider V directly proportional to T. Okay, consider a given mass of dry gas X. So at temperature T1, volume V1, T2 and volume V2. So according to Charles' law, V1 directly proportional to T1, आर V1 अपान T1 इक्वल्स टू के, V2 डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू T2, वैल्यू रख देंगे तो V2 अपान T1 इक्वल्स टू के, तो ये दो रिलेशन बन के आ जाएंगे। इन दोनों को आपस में अगर कोरिलेट करेंगे तो ये आएगा V1 अपान T1 इक्वल्स टू V2 अपान T2 इक्वल टू के, दैट इज नोन एज द Charles law equation. Charles law equation. Okay, now come on the next. Okay, thank you.